Hi, I'm Marty from Marty Makes Cakes, and structured and carved cakes are my absolute favourite to make. I loved making this Elsa bust cake, and I think that you guys will really love it too. In this full-length video tutorial, you will learn how to create an easy and inexpensive cake structure, one that you can use for many different structured cakes. You will also learn how to carve and sculpt this beautiful character bust using templates to guide you. This makes it so much easier and really possible for anyone to do, no matter their skill level. I take you through every single step of the creative process. This will not only help you in making this cake, but any structured or sculpted cake you want to do. We've got this course all set up in a Facebook group where you've got full access to all your content and to me if you have any questions. If you've ever wanted to try making a bust cake, then this is the course for you.